Hamjambo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to show you is how to install the VirtualBox in Windows 10 and Windows 11. All can apply because it's still there, same Windows. So what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to download the VirtualBox. So that will be step one. Go to use any of your favorite browser. So for me, I can open with Firefox for now. And then type VirtualBox, and then you can press enter, and then you can check here where it is written the Oracle VM VirtualBox, and maybe if you want to go directly, just type virtualbox.org. So I click there. So when that page comes, click here to download your VirtualBox. The current version is 6.1, so click on it. After doing that, you need to come and now choose your platform package. So what I need to do here is download for the Windows host. If you are using, let's say, a MacBook or iMac, you can come here, and if Linux, click here. Solaris here, or Solaris 11 IPS host. But for now, for Windows, it's Windows host. If you click there, you'll see that it has started downloading. So depending on how your browser shows your downloads, you'll see until it finishes. So for me, it's remaining like 1 minute, 15 seconds. And so normally if you use Chrome, it will maybe show down here. For Microsoft Edge, I think also more around here. So let's just wait, and when it finishes, we proceed. So when the download is complete, you'll see that. I can click here and then able to see. And this one for me, it is in the downloads. So if I go to downloads here, open downloads, I can see it is here. So so after that one, after it has downloaded, double click on it, 1, 2, and then it start opening. But if you choose this side, you just press once and it start installing. So after that one, we need to enable for it to run. So press yes here. So now it is preparing to install. Minimize that. So the first thing you'll see is this window. It says welcome to Oracle VM VirtualBox 6.34 setup wizard, or depending on the version that you'll have. So this one will change if they update it. So the next you need to do is click on the next button, then it comes to this page, and then again press on the next. So you can just leave those by default, not changing anything. Click again, and then on this part where it says warning network interfaces, proceed installation now, you press yes, and then you install it. So you'll see the status bar here, and it is going to show you if it has finished installing. So after doing that, it will tell you would like to install this device software, the Oracle Corporation, the absolute bus, and then you can just, because Oracle is a company that you can trust, so you can say install, click on it, so then it continue installing, and then on the maintenance it's to showing that you'll see that these are appeared here on your desktop. So let's wait a little bit until it finishes. Yeah, so after doing that, we have already installed it, so you can just press finish, and then if you want to start right then just have this. So if you don't want to start right now to run it, you can just deselect. So we just select, or just change the way it was, and then click on finish. So when it clicks finish, supposed now to open the Oracle VirtualBox interface, which is this now the first window that it is going to show. Thank you, and subscribe to my YouTube page. Asanteni.